स्टेनोमेनिया डिक्टेशंस विद फ्लक्चुएशंस। मेरा टेलीग्राम पे एक चैनल है जिस पे मैं डेली जनरल और लीगल मैटर का ट्रांसक्रिप्शन मैटर देता हूँ, उसके बाद उसका सॉल्यूशन, साथ ही उसकी 80 की स्पीड से 100 और 120 की स्पीड से उसकी अलग अलग डिक्टेशन, सेम मैटर की अलग अलग डिक्टेशन, उसकी शॉर्ट आउटलाइंस, उसमें जो भी सिमिलर वर्ड्स होते हैं वो, उसमें जो भी फिक्स रूल्स हैं, ऑलमोस्ट आपकी सारी सुविधाएं उसमें इंक्लूड है। आप एक बार उस टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिए। टेलीग्राम चैनल का नाम है स्टेनोमेनिया डिक्टेशन। तो एक बार आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, उसके बाद आपको धीरे धीरे अपने आप उसमें बेनिफिट मिलने लगेगा। अभी मैं आपको यहाँ पे 100 की स्पीड से मैटर दे रहा हूँ, डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी। While considering the first question, the High Court concluded that inasmuch as an order of ejectment of the plaintiffs from the land in dispute under Section 163 of the HP Land Revenue Act, 1953 was passed on 2/4/1970 by the settlement officer, the suit having been filed about 19 years after such order is barred by limitation. After arriving at such conclusion on question number 1, the High Court, without going into the question or adverting to the case of the plaintiffs, by order dated 4/1/2000, allowed the second appeal, set aside the judgments and decrees passed by the trial court as well as by the lower appellate court, and dismissed the suit of the plaintiffs as being time barred. Challenging the said order, the plaintiffs have filed the present appeal. We have already extracted the first substantial question of law, which relates to limitation. The High Court proceeded the said issue on the ground that though the order of ejectment of the plaintiffs from the land in dispute came to be passed by the settlement officer on 2/4/1970, however, the plaintiffs filed the suit number 41 of 1989 only on 23/2/1989 before the senior sub judge, Mandi, which was barred by limitation. The High Court, in arriving at such a conclusion, relied on Section 163 of the Act. Learned counsel for the respondents herein pointed out that the order said to have been passed on 2/4/1970 by the settlement officer was not communicated to them. It is also their claim that they were not issued notice or afforded an opportunity to put forth their case before passing an order by the settlement officer. In fact, neither before the courts below nor before the High Court, the proceeding dated 2/4/1970 was produced by the defendants. In fact, there is no specific plea in the written statement as to the limitation, and no issue was framed by the trial court, and no point was determined by the lower appellate court. We verify the defense stated in the written statement, issues framed by the trial court and the points determined by the lower appellate court. There is no such plea and issue as to the limitation. Though, it would be open to the parties to the suit to raise the plea of limitation before the High Court, as pointed out earlier, the defendants have not taken any effort to place the alleged proceedings dated 2/4/1970 of the settlement officer. It is not clear how the High Court arrived at a specific conclusion that suit filed by the plaintiffs was barred by limitation. Even according to the defendants, the entire records relating to the said proceedings were lost. Stop. We have already referred to the fact that such issue was not raised and argued before the courts below. Stop. On the other hand, the plaintiffs concentrated that they are entitled to decree in respect of the suit property based on the continuous and uninterrupted possession for over a period of 40 years. Stop. In view of the assertion of the plaintiffs that they were neither heard nor afforded an opportunity in the alleged proceedings dated 2/4/1970, the onus is on the defendant's department to place those relevant record to show that there was valid order by the competent authority. Stop. Admittedly, such record was not called for and no material was placed before the courts below, including the High Court. Stop. On the other hand, based on the acceptable oral and documentary evidence regarding the claim of the adverse possession, the trial court decreed the suit, which was affirmed by the lower court. Stop. over इसका पूरा सॉल्यूशन, इसकी 120 की स्पीड, 80 की स्पीड, इसमें जो भी सिमिलर वर्ड है, जो भी हार्ड वर्ड है, और इसमें जो भी रूल्स है फिक्स, वो सारे मैंने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में दिए हैं और मैं डेली इसी तरीके से देता हूँ. एक बार प्लीज़ आप उसको ज्वाइन कीजिए. आपको बेनिफिट नहीं हो तो आप छोड़ देना ग्रुप, पर एक बार आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, आपको ज़रूर बेनिफिट होगा. थैंक यू.